Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create smart mockups in Canva without using Photoshop step by step in 2026. So you can showcase your designs professionally, even if you're not a graphic design expert. Mockups are extremely important if you sell designs, run ads, or present work to clients. They help people visualize how a design will look in real life, like on phones, laptops, t-shirts, or posters. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design, or open an existing one you want to turn into a mockup. Now go to the Apps section on the left panel and search for Smart Mockups. Canva has this built in, so there's no need for Photoshop or external tools. Once Smart Mockups opens, choose the type of mockup you want. You'll find categories like devices, print, packaging, apparel, and social media. Pick a mockup that matches your design purpose, for example, a phone screen for app designs or a frame mockup for posters. After selecting the mockup, Canva will automatically place your design inside it. Yeah, it's that simple. You can switch between different mockup styles and backgrounds until you find one that looks clean and realistic. If you want more control, you can also create mockups manually using frames. Go to Elements, search for frames, and choose a device or object frame. Drag your design into the frame and adjust the position for a perfect fit. Another important tip is lighting and background. Choose mockups with neutral backgrounds so your design stands out. Avoid overly busy scenes unless your brand specifically needs that style. Once your mockup looks good, preview it carefully. Zoom in, check alignment, and make sure nothing looks stretched or blurry. Then download it as a high-quality PNG or JPG, ready for websites, ads, or client delivery. And that's how to create smart mockups in Canva without Photoshop step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.